Hello students, welcome to this video. In the last video of fraction, we have learned how to solve simplification problems using Bodmer's rule. Today, we shall interpret some daily life problems into mathematical form using fraction. Here, in question number 1, it is said that in a business, Ram and Deepak invest 3 by 5 and 2 by 5 of the total investment, that is rupees 4,000. Now calculate the amount invested by each. So first of all, we know that Ram and Deepak, they have invested 3 by 5 and 2 by 5 of the total investment. Therefore, ratio of share between Ram and Deepak is 3 by 5 is to 2 by 5. So if we multiply this ratio by 5, then we will get 3 is to 2. Now, sum equals to 3 plus 2, that is 5. Therefore, investment of Ram is equal to rupees 4,000 into 3 by 5. So that is equal to 5 ones are 8, this 0, 2400. So the investment of Deepak will be equals to rupees 4,000 into 2 by 5. So it will be equal to it is 1, it is 800, that is rupees 1600. So therefore these two are the answers. See, if you add 2400 and 1600, you will get this 4000. This question says that Geeta has 30 problems for homework. She worked out 2/3 of them. How many problems were still left to be worked out by her? See, here total problem equals to 30. Now worked out by Geeta is 2/3 of them, that is equals to 2/3 into 30, that is 10. So I can write it here 20. The question is how many are left. Therefore the left problems equal to 30 minus 20, that is 10. Now see, as 2/3 of the total problem were worked out by Geeta, that is why we had written 2/3 into 30. Actually it is 2/3 of 30, and we know of means into. That is why 2/3 into 30, that is 20. So 20 has been worked out, and the left problems is equals to 30 minus 20, that is 10, and is the answer. Problem 3 says that Shyam bought a cycle for rupees 5,000. He paid 1/10 of the price in cash and rest in 12 equal monthly installment. Now how much had he to pay each month? Now the problem, in this problem, here we have to find the amount of money that he pays by cash. As we know that 1/10 of the price is paid in cash, that is why the amount of money paid in cash, that is 1/10 into 5,000, that is 500. Now the rest amount is paid in 12 equal monthly installment. The rest amount is what? 5,000 minus 500, that is 4,500. So therefore the money he had to pay monthly is equal to rupees 4,500 divided by 12, that is equals to rupees 375, and it is the answer. Okay, now see the question and the diagram carefully. A lamppost has half of its length in mud. So this is the mud. So half of its length is in mud and 1/3 of its length is in water. Now this is water, okay, and this is the ground level. This is the ground level. So this portion is in water. Okay, so what fraction of its length is above water? Now you are thinking that no data is given, no length is given, how to solve it? See, if no data is given, then you have to assume that the total length be 1. So therefore the total fraction of length in mud and water is equals to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. So 2 and 3 LCM 6, 2 into 3 6, 3 into 2. So this is 5 by 6. So this amount of the length, okay, this part of the length is in mud and water together. Now therefore the length, the fraction of the length that is above the water is equal to, okay, so it will be the fraction of length above water equals to 1 minus 5 by 6, because 1 was the total length we assumed. So this will be equals to 1, that is the LCM is 6, so it will be 6 minus 5, that equals to 1 by 6. So this is the answer. Hope you have understood. In the next video we shall discuss about some more problems, word problems related to our daily life. So thank you for watching this video.